I'm going to discuss about running total tool in Alteryx and how to calculate running total in Alteryx. So let's open the Alteryx designer. So here I'm using 64-bit operating system for Alteryx. Now the first step here, the workflow, new workflow is there, and first here drag input data. So you can choose file or database. So I'm going to select add here Oracle escort schema, and inside the escort here I'm going to use EMP table. So double click on the EMP table, and here if you select this star, so by selecting this, so here it will select all the columns. Now hereafter I'm going to do one sorting on DPT number. So at here let's give 1, so it will sort DPT number, and this table that I choosing because at here sal, so I'm going to calculate running total on sal columns. So let's click on OK. So here the source part that has done. Now here after the next is, let's go to transformation, and here you can find the ready-made tool running total. So you need to drag this one inside the workflow, and it has two important property, group by and create running total. So group by is used to make rows value into one groups, because at here, so let's do one thing first. Here you can see DPT number. So DPT number has many duplicate values. Okay, so here let's do one more thing here, report, and this part is the optional. If you want, then you can give, and this is the essential part to create the running total. Now when that all done, here you cannot find any kind of problem. So run the workflow, and here this is the table record. So here total numbers of fields are 9, and 14 records, 14 rows are there. Now you can see at here DPT number, it's a duplicate. So 10 3 times 20, at here 5 times, I think 1 2 3 4 5. So you can create at here running total on salary by making group by, or you can directly create the running total without group by. So with group by, without group by, you can use. So here it will make the group on 10. After that will calculate. So 2450 plus 5000 plus 13,000. So after adding the one by one, that start going to adding. So if I go at this place, now here, so one new column created with them run toad underscore sal. So 10 has this all values, this or till there. So first time 2450, and here 2450 plus 5000 7450, and 7450 plus 1300, the value is 8750. So by making this, so add here it make 10 in one group. So 10 in one group. After that this start doing adding one by one and adding on sal. So sal, generally we are calculating running total and salary, and this kind of columns, and here after you can see, let's select this part, and here, so next 20 make one group. So 20, and here 20 has 2975 that displaying. Next 2975 that add with 3000, so 5975, and 5975 that add with 1100 7075, and there is a 120 7075 that it add with 800 7875, and 7875 that add with 3000 10 875. It's a displaying. So it's make another group of 20. After that it start calculating running total here. So next is if this is optional part. If you want, then you can give. I'm not giving this one. Now here what it will do at here, it won't make 10 20 in any group. It will start adding one by one. So this is at here source coming value, so 10, and here it will not do any group by. Here this will do 2450 plus 5000, and this two addition, so that value comes 7450 plus 1300. So let's see the output. Here select this one. Now it want to can make any group. So here the salary is 2450, and here 2450 plus 5000, 7450, 7450 plus 1300, 8750, 8750 plus 2975, that is 11725. It's a display. So I highly recommend you when or department or any value are in duplicate, so rows value are duplicate, so you should make that the value columns into group by. So it's very easy to calculate and very easy to understand the flow of running flow of workflow. And it will also, if the incoming records are 1000, 10,000, millions, so we must make that in group, break into the group. After that you can calculate running total and very easy to understand the data. So here this time I make running total on the group by, so it make 10 in one group, 20 in one group, 30 in one group, and here this the 30, so it's 12, 50 the values. After that one by one that start adding. So by using this we can also know about which one has the highest salary, lowest salary, and we can find out very easily. So this is the way we can calculate running total in Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.